We are here today in Palos Verdes. We just completed a beautiful job of aluminum powder-coated products, which is manufactured in our facility in Canoga Park. We just finished installing all this over here, and we also have a gate with an Aluma lock, which is a smart lock. I will show you that. 1 second. This is also a double swing gate with a few keypads that we put in here. There it is opening. We also installed an exterior keypad on this one and another one on the interior of the property, which is right here. We are happy that we completed everything in a timely manner. What do you think about the project?
Susan.
Oh, Susan, I'm sorry.
I'm very happy. It looks beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, Susan. We'll see you on the next video.